Now continuing with the question, 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. As you already know, 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, we can write it as sin square theta. So replacing here 2 into sin square theta upon sin square theta. Whenever you are using some formula, write it in the bracket. What you have used? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta cancel and you are left with 2, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Some of you might be thinking that in place of replacing 1 minus cos square theta with sin square theta, we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta from here. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We can replace it here. Then also we can do the cancellation. Now coming to the next question. 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta is equal to 1. Now directly you can see that 1 minus sin square theta. First taking RHS, 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square theta, we used it in the previous formula also. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta into secant square theta. When nothing is written, it is multiplied. Now look, we got this, but we want 1. Means these two terms we must be cancelled. Here we discussed cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, or secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So we can replace either cos square theta by 1 by secant square theta or secant square theta with 1 by cos square theta. You can do either. What we used? Secant square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. Cos square cancelled, which is equal to 1 equal to RHS, hence proved. Now coming to the next question. Look, in every question I am telling you some things that has to be kept in mind while dealing with the question. Now in the second question, in the next question, 1 upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 upon 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 cosecant square theta. In these kind of questions, first look how many terms are there on left hand side. There are 2 terms, first term, second term. And how many terms are there in the right hand side? Only 1 term. So to make 2 terms, to combine 2 terms, what we have to do? We will take LCM. So first taking left hand side, 1 upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. Now take LCM. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here it is 1 and 1 plus cos theta is here. So 1 minus cos theta will go in denominator and here 1 plus cos theta. Now anything that is cancelled, cos theta cancels with cos theta. What you are left with? 1 plus 1, 2. Now whenever you are getting this kind of thing, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. What is it? A plus B into A minus B. What the formula is? A plus B into A minus B. What is it? A square minus B square. So A means 1 square minus cos square theta. 2 upon 1 minus cos square theta. Again 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So you got 2 upon sin square theta. After reaching this point, again look at what you need to prove. 2 cosecant square theta, and this can be written as 2 into 1 upon sin square theta. Now 1 upon sin square theta, 1 upon sin theta is cosecant theta. So 1 upon sin square theta will be cosecant square theta. Hence proved.